Good morning children. Today we'll do English language. So all open out your English language books to lesson 6, page 22, 23 and 24. Today we'll do these 3 pages. So let us start. Take out page 22 and what is the heading of the lesson? Special names. So today we have done this I have revised this in class, but once more I will explain it to you. So today we are doing special names. Now read this sentence. Rohan and Rohit are playing with the ball. Second one, New Delhi is the capital of India. Third, Suman is going to Kolkata. Now what did you read in these sentences? First sentence is name of two particular boys, Rohan and Rohit. They are the names of two boys. Second sentence, New Delhi, that is a name of a particular place. New Delhi and is the capital of India, a particular country. So these are two particular names. So we are talking about Delhi and we are talking about India. Third, again see, Suman is going to Calcutta. Now Suman, a particular girl by the name of Suman, where is she going? She is going to Kolkata. Kolkata is a special name of a place. So these are all special names. Rohan, Rohit and Suman. They are what? Rohan, Rohit and Suman are special names of person. They are special names of person. And New Delhi and India and Calcutta. They are New Delhi, India and Calcutta are special names of places. So special names of persons and places begin with a capital letter. And whenever you write any name, special names, it has to be with a capital. You have to start with a capital letter. Even when you write names of any place, you have to write it with a capital letter. So always remember, special names of persons and places begin with a capital letter. Now open your books, take out page. Open your books and take out page 22. And take your pencils and write down read. Okay? Now read. Special names. Now read the sentence. Rohan and Rohit play ball. Number 2. New Delhi is the capital of India. Suman is going to Kolkata. The same thing which I wrote on the board. Rohan, Rohit and Suman are special names of person. New Delhi, India and Kolkata are special names of places. Special names of persons and places always begin with a capital letter. So, take your pencils, write, read and you have to read this lesson. Now turn your page to page 2323. Now children, take your pencils, first on the top write L-E-A-R-N, learn. After that, take your pencils and write question 1 on the top. And write down H-O-W, how, M-A-N-Y, many, D-A-Y-S, days, A-R-E-R, T-H-E-R-E, there, I-N-N, W-E-E-K, week. And down write N-A-M-E, name them. So what is the question? How many days are there in a week? Name them. Again I repeat, write question 1 and write how many days are there in a week? Name them. So you have write answer 1 at the side and here is the answer already written. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. And at the side write they are, write down T-H-E-Y, they, A-R-E-R, and now read it. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday, and S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. So you notice one thing, the days of the week have started with a capital letter. See, Monday M is capital, Tuesday T is capital, Wednesday D is capital, Thursday T is capital, Friday F is capital, Saturday S is capital and Sunday S is capital. So Sunday is a holiday and you work or you come to school from Monday to Saturday. So these are, you will learn days of the week. Now look below. Again, take your pencils and write how many months are there in a year. Name them. HOW, write question 2. HOW, how. MANY, many. MONTHS, months. ARER, THERE, there. INNYEAR, year. How many months are there in a year? Name them. NAME, name. THEM, them. Now at the side write answer 2, and here there are 12 months in a year. Again I repeat, there are 12 months in a year. They are, here see, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So you can count, they are 12. Now see here also the first letter is with a capital. J is capital, F is capital, M is capital, April A is capital, May M is capital, June J is capital, July J is capital, August A is capital, September S is capital, October O is capital, November N is capital, and December D is capital. Children, here how am I pronouncing each and every month? January, February, March, April. It's not April, it's April. May, June, July, August, September, October. It is not October, it is October, November, and December. So now read the last line. Names of week, days and months always begin with capital letters. So you will learn this page, not only read. Now turn your page, children, to page 24. Write down READ, read. Now underline the special names in the following sentence. Take your pencils. What is this? Rishika is my sister. So what is the name? Rishika. Underline Rishika. Number 2, I enjoy Diwali festival. Which festival? Diwali. Underline Diwali. January is the first month of the year. What is the first month? January. Underline January. Rohan takes Buzu for a walk. So Rohan is the special name of a boy. Underline Rohan, and Buzo. Buzo is the dog. Underline Buzo. Number 5, have you visited New Delhi? So New Delhi is a place. Underline New Delhi. Number 6, Sunday is a holiday. So underline Sunday. It's a special day of the week. 7th, America is a big country. So America. Which country? America. So underline America. Christmas comes in December. When does Christmas come? In December. So underline Christmas is a special festival we are talking about, and in a special month. So children, underline this. Now look at the B part. Rewrite these names in capital letters as they are special names. So you have India. So when you write India, you will write a capital I. So the spelling will be the same, only the small letter turns into a capital letter. Same way, second one, Radha. R you will write capital and the remaining spelling. Then London. L will be capital and the remaining spelling. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma, M will be capital, and Gandhi, the G will be capital. Then November. N will be capital and the remaining spelling. Tuesday. T will be capital and the remaining. Children, I will send you this assignment so that you can see and do it. Thank you, children. Have a good day.